Imagine how difficult it is to drive in severe winter conditions with snow blanketing the streets and the vehicle losing performance due to the cold. For many drivers, this is a nightmare. However, it appears that the Tesla Model Y Juniper 2025 is about to revolutionize that experience. Tesla is enhancing the car's heat pump system, something that was already remarkable in earlier models, but now promises to be even more effective. This heat pump not only keeps the cabin cozy even in freezing outside temperatures, but also assists the battery in performing at its peak. After all, no one wants their range to drop just because the weather turned icy, right? And the traction control, that's another aspect receiving particular focus. Instead of allowing the wheels to slip on slippery surfaces like ice or mud, the system in the Juniper 2025 is more intelligent. It promptly adjusts the power sent to each wheel, ensuring stability and safety. It's as if the car is reading the terrain and predicting movements, giving you a sense of security even in the harshest conditions. For those living in regions where winter is severe, this innovation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Tesla understands this and seems to be taking its commitment to creating a vehicle that truly embraces winter seriously. Additionally, rumors suggest that it might come fitted with the much-discussed solid-state batteries. And what does that mean? I've mentioned these new batteries in other videos on the channel, but for those of you still catching up, let me clarify a bit. First off, these batteries can store much more energy in a more compact space. It's like having a fuel tank that occupies half the room but goes twice as far. With that, the Juniper's range should easily exceed 400 miles, completely transforming the game for those who drive long distances. Can you picture taking an entire trip without stressing too much about stopping to recharge? Now, it's not just the range that's impressive. Charging time, one of the greatest complaints from electric car drivers, could also be significantly reduced. These solid-state batteries charge faster because they handle high currents without overheating. We're talking about charging enough for hours of travel in just a few minutes. Imagine stopping at a supercharger, grabbing a coffee, and by the time you're back, the car is ready to roll. It seems like magic, but it's pure advanced technology that's getting closer to becoming part of our everyday lives. Another thing that will put everyone at ease is safety. Solid-state batteries are much less susceptible to issues like overheating or, worse, fires. This is because they don't use flammable liquids like traditional lithium-ion batteries. The structure is far more stable, meaning you can drive with confidence, even in extreme conditions. For those who love technology but worry about safety, this innovation is truly remarkable. And it doesn't stop there. With a higher energy density, these batteries could open new doors for car design. Imagine that Tesla engineers might even reduce the battery size without sacrificing range, leaving more room inside for passengers or even a larger trunk. Or maybe they'll use that extra energy to incorporate new technologies like more sophisticated entertainment systems or advanced autonomous driving features. It's almost as if these batteries are the core of a larger revolution within the vehicle itself. Another intriguing aspect is how this could affect costs. Although solid-state batteries are still pricey to produce, Tesla has already proven it has the expertise to make technologies that were once considered out of reach more accessible. Remember when electric cars were seen as luxury items? Nowadays, Tesla has managed to turn that into something much more affordable for a larger audience. If they can do the same with these batteries, it could mark the beginning of a new era for electric cars. Additionally, there's an environmental angle to these new batteries. They're more efficient, not just in terms of energy but also materials. Some of them use fewer rare metals, meaning a smaller environmental footprint during production, and when they reach the end of their useful life, they can be recycled more easily and effectively. Tesla, already known for thinking ahead, must be planning something along these lines to continue leading the electric vehicle market sustainably. Now, imagine what this means for travel in general. With such a long range and fast charging, maybe the experience of driving an electric car will become even better than in traditional combustion vehicles. Not to mention that increasingly sophisticated charging stations now offer rest areas with Wi-Fi, coffee, and other comforts. If the Juniper really delivers all of this, it could be the car that finally shifts the mindset of those still skeptical about electric vehicles. Have you ever envisioned a car where the structure itself is a battery? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi film, But this idea is closer to reality than you think. Researchers are working on something called structural batteries. Instead of just placing a battery under the car, they're considering transforming parts of the car itself, like the chassis or body, into batteries that store energy. This means that future vehicles could be much lighter while also being far more efficient. It's as if every part of the vehicle helps keep it operating. What's even more exciting is that this isn't just about efficiency. With less weight, energy consumption decreases, which could lead to longer ranges for electric cars. Picture a Tesla, which already offers excellent range, now going even farther without needing a larger or heavier battery. Plus, lighter vehicles are faster and handle better. Anyone who loves driving knows how much that improves the experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city traffic. Another benefit of these structural batteries is that they could revolutionize car design. Without needing space solely dedicated to the battery, engineers would have more freedom to create vehicles with completely new shapes and sizes. Maybe smaller, more aerodynamic cars, or even those with more interior space. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, from sleek sedans to larger, more efficient SUVs, all while maintaining a focus on sustainability. And it's not just in the automotive industry where this technology could make an impact. Think about electric bikes that could be lighter and easier to carry, or even drones that could fly longer without needing to recharge as often. The same concept could apply to airplanes and other modes of transport. It's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize far more than just the way we drive. Another exciting factor is the environmental benefit. With lighter vehicles, the consumption of materials and manufacturing decreases. This results in less waste and a reduced carbon footprint during production. Not to mention that by integrating the battery into the structure of the vehicle, it's possible to reduce the use of separate components, making the recycling process smoother and more efficient. For those concerned about the future of the planet, this is great news. And did you know that these batteries could also be safer? The idea is that the vehicle structure made with structural batteries would be extremely durable, capable of absorbing impacts in case of collisions. Furthermore, the materials used in these batteries are being designed to be less flammable than traditional lithium-ion batteries. This adds peace of mind for those who think electric vehicles still need advancements in safety. Of course, there are still challenges ahead. Making these batteries durable enough to endure daily wear and tear while maintaining good energy storage capacity isn't simple. But progress is moving quickly, and it's exciting to think about what the first car to adopt this technology will look like in a few years. The idea of a battery as part of the vehicle structure might seem entirely outdated. Have you imagined a car that not only drives but also recharges itself while it's parked or even in motion? It seems like a dream, but Mercedes-Benz has made a step in that direction with a groundbreaking technology. Solar paint. That's right. A special coating that converts sunlight into energy. They say that with this innovation, it's possible to generate enough energy to travel up to 20,000 kilometers per year just from daylight. And hey, this isn't something unfeasible for other electric cars like the Tesla Model Y. Maybe Elon Musk will get inspired and adopt this idea. The concept is brilliant because it combines two things that are already present: the car's paint and the sun. Unlike traditional solar panels, which occupy space and can even alter the vehicle's design, this paint integrates seamlessly without disrupting the car's aesthetics. It's as if the car is wearing its own charging station, but in a super stylish way. Can you picture a Tesla Model Y with this technology? You park the car in the garage or at the supermarket, and it's already gaining range. No cables or plugs required. What's fascinating is that this idea doesn't only enhance energy efficiency, but also has the potential to reduce operational costs for many people. The electricity bill for charging an electric car is still a consideration, but imagine being able to decrease reliance on a charging station. Solar paint could eventually pay for itself over time, saving the driver money while also helping the environment. After all, the less we depend on external energy sources, the lower the impact on the planet. Another intriguing possibility is how this could transform the experience for those traveling long distances. Even if the solar paint isn't enough to fully charge the car, it could help keep essential systems running.